Welcome to Local SEO Today. I'm Roger Murphy.
And I'm Kayla Claus.
Thank you for joining us. In this segment, we wanted to talk to business owners with respect to some of the new strategies around social media, influence marketing, how to really amplify your message for your business. So Kayla is the perfect demographic. She's our specialist on board here at Local SEO Search. That's what we've done. My partner and I, we brought the best people in to join our team. So today, Kayla, I want to ask you, social media and the idea of influence marketing, can you define it for us and for the business owners that are here, and then talk about how they can effectively use it for their business?
So there's a new kind of career path called being an influencer. It's really popular on social media platforms such as Instagram and YouTube. What you become is these people who post about their lives, post about their experiences on Instagram. They have a beautiful feed. They have a beautiful family they post about on YouTube. They gain this huge following. There's people like Kim Kardashian who have millions of views, but there's also smaller influencers who have hundreds of thousands of followers or tens of thousands of followers, and their followers become fans. They become almost internet celebrities. So they have this following of people who want to know what they think. They want their reviews on products, their experiences. Mm. So they are now have this own audience they can influence. So it's so as a business owner, you can kind of work with these influencers and see how they can put your products out there, put your services out there, and kind of use them as an ambassador for your brand.
Mm. How long has that been going? Is it changing rapidly? Is influence marketing, where did we come from and where are we going? Where do you see the future with this?
It started on YouTube, I think, because that kind of was the platform that was big for a long time, and Twitter, but it's harder on Twitter because it's not so much as image or video based, which I think is more engaging for consumers. Started on YouTube, and then Instagram kind of really blew it up. A lot of people are using their clout for Instagram versus YouTube or transferring it to both. So Instagram has really kind of been the catalyst, I think, for it, with these people who have, they're working on their gorgeous Instagram feeds where they have lots of beautiful pictures and it's really visually appealing.
Interesting. Well, here at Local SEO Search, of course, our mandate is we help local businesses in their local markets to really rise up the rankings of Google. And rising up the rankings of Google, it's because Google has so many of these signals, and the signals they're looking for are what sort of outreach is the business doing? What sort of signals, social media are they attempting to do? So here we've got the team, yourself, we've got all of the rest of our team doing everything from blog writing, but this is really one new component that we want to make sure clients understand that we can help them with. So,
and I think it's important for a smaller business to realize that you don't need to go for the Kim Kardashians of the world. You don't need to go for the big fishes. You can look at the smaller, as we call them, micro influencers. So someone who maybe has 10,000 followers on Instagram, but they're in your local market, and see how you can utilize that person with your business or your services.
Interesting.
Because you don't need to go huge to start. You can start smaller and work your way up and see what kind of return on investment you can get from a smaller influencer.
Interesting, yeah, because it is true, most businesses in Canada are small business. And then if you look at small businesses, their radius of geographic coverage, where they accept customers from, is a more of a geographic space. We're based here in Toronto, but whether you're Calgary or Vancouver, Montreal, people tend to shop and live. So these micro influencers could be just the ticket of what they're looking for.
Exactly, and just look at how your business or service can be kind of marketed out there. I know it's hard when you have a service-based industry to think about how you can work with influencers, where it's much more easy if you have a product, because then you can give them that product, they can post about that product, and it's just easy out there, right? But with a service, it can be different, but you can work it. Say you're a dentist who does cosmetic dentistry. Right now, veneers and Invisalign are really in. Reach out to an influencer, offer that service. Or if you have like a Medi-Spa, Botox, lip fillers, those are also huge in the Instagram space right now. And you can have that Instagrammer, post about their experience and tag your spa, tag your business in it.
Interesting. So in this world, it's very fluid. Things are changing. You need experts. And here at Local SEO Search, Kayla is one of our experts. So give us a call if you're feeling you need to know more about the influencer marketing space. We're at 416-888-8756. We'd be pleased to talk to you, look at strategies, look at what's going on, and help you with your business. Thanks. Thanks,
you.
Kayla.
Thank you.